Good evening, all. I am Saroj Kumar Rajwar, Civil Engineering Department, NIT Rourkela, going to present seminar on technical writing. My book title is Einstein, His Life and Universe, written by Walter Isaacson. These are the points which include in this seminar. Introduction. It mentions the personal life of the great scientist Einstein, childhood and early life, a scientific challenge, mention the problem of their research, in approach to convey the approach of research, course of action, conclusion, lesson learned. The great scientist Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. He is known for many studies in his life, like light wave, photoelectric effect, space-time, Brownian motion, and theory of relativity. He received the Nobel for photoelectric effect and Copley's award for theory of relativity. His equation equal to mc square was used to make the atomic bomb. Childhood and early life. The inclination towards science was due to their curiosity. Einstein's nature was like rebel, so he had trouble getting a job. In scientific challenge, the biggest difficulty in front of Einstein was in understanding the motion of wave in the magnetic field. He proved Maxwell theory by experiment with electricity and magnetism. He explained that light would be applied to wave in addition to the Newton principle, in which the velocity of emission will be combined with the emitted light to give final velocity of light. The emission theory was good, but it did not work for. He found in his research that speed of light cannot differ with the speed of emission. In the theory of relativity, he found that time itself cannot be defined and that there is an unbreakable relationship between time and signal velocity. Conclusion. It took him only 5 weeks to complete the theory of relativity, which explains the behavior of objects in space and time. He found that in equation of E equal to mc square, that mass and energy are different forms of the same thing. We can learn from this book the spirit of childhood curiosity should always be preserved. Imagination is more important than knowledge, and the journey of life doesn't stop until the man dies. Thank you.